Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. Have you tried Bose headsets? Oh my goodness, they're amazing. These are the Bose QuietComfort wireless Bluetooth headset. Super, super good. The first thing I love is the sound. So you put these on, they have the noise canceling effect. If you have them on and you're trying to have a conversation with someone sitting right in front of you, there's a good chance you're not going to be able to hear what they're saying, just to give you an idea of the noise canceling effect. And the sound from the music coming through this headset is beautiful. Excellent, excellent sound. I also love how adjustable these are. So you can make them bigger, smaller, they turn, they have so many turns and adjustments that I feel like you can just really fit them to your head. And for me personally, they are extremely comfortable. They're not too heavy. They fit around my ears just right. I think they're perfect for a good fit. And all of your buttons are right there on your headset. So you've got your power button, you can turn your volume up and down, you can connect to your virtual assistants. It has all those features right there for you. So I highly recommend these. I think you're gonna love them. And that's my point of view.